Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix packet loss in Battlefield 2042. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to library, then you just need to right click on Battlefield, go to properties, go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted game files that need to be fixed, so go ahead and do so. It will take you a couple of minutes, and then after you do so, then you need to go to browse, and then new window open up here. And then you need to basically know your Battlefield files direction. So for me, it's local disk C, program files, x86, Steam apps, common, and Battlefield 2042. So once we know that, then we can proceed with the next step. And the next step is basically we need to allow Battlefield 2042 to Windows Defender Firewall. So on search, just write Windows Defender Firewall, then press allow an app or feature, then press change settings, then just click on one of the tasks here and press B. And if there is a Battlefield option here, you're good to go. But if there is not, then you just need to press allow another app, and then new window pops up here. Then you need to press browse, and then we need to go to the path that we got from Steam. So local disk C, program files x86, Steam apps, common. Then you need to look for Battlefield, and then you just need to add this exe file. So I already added. So yeah, as you can see here, it's already in the list of exceptions. So I don't need to do nothing here. So, and after that, then you just need to go to virus and threat protection. Then you need to scroll down until you see manage settings, then exclusions, and then just add folder, and it's the same path like on the Windows Defender Firewall. Local disk C, program files x86, Steam apps, common, and then you just need to click on the folder and select the folder here and add it on this list. Right, and that's pretty much it. What you need to do here if you want to fix packet loss in Rainbow Six Siege. So not Rainbow Six Siege, Battlefield 2042. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.